Hello, my name is Caroline Gibson. I'm a freelance copywriter and content writer in London, and I'm going to show you how I can make a difference to copy by editing a website right in front of your eyes. So let's take this website as an example for Benot. They provide very high-end, made-to-order wooden flooring to interior designers and retailers. Now, this website could certainly do with optimizing for Google. As you can see, this homepage lacks H1 and H2 headers, it lacks keywords, it also lacks title tags. But for this exercise, I just want to concentrate on writing impactful and engaging copy rather than talking too much about SEO. So I'm going to show you two copy style examples. Now, just a word about the existing copy. I have to say it's not really my cup of tea. I find it quite long. I'm not a fan of OTT phrases such as this one, and whoops, there's a typo there as well, which isn't great news really. So I'm now going to use a little trick to show how I might rewrite this. So I'm starting with the headline, and it's this. So please excuse my rather noisy typing. Beauty is nature is Benot. And then I've come up with some very short, punchy and dynamic copy. And just to save time and your ears, I'm going to paste it. From the classical to the contemporary, and from the expected to the unexpected, we craft the beautiful and the show-stoppable. Benot wooden floors are works of nature transformed into works of art, made with expertise, made to specification, made to perfection. Although the site is for retailers, it's still really important to build a brand through engaging storytelling for any audience. So my second copy style suggestion does exactly that. The headline says, beautiful floors in beautiful spaces for doing beautiful things. And as you can see, the copy is very simple. It just consists of short, evocative statements that talk about all the amazing things you can do in a room with this wonderful flooring. Because at the end of the day, every Benot floor has a story to tell.